What's f prime?
Cosine x minus 2x.
So then I want to do it in general. So I could say this is going to be answer minus sine answer minus answer squared plus 2. That's f of answer over f prime answer so that captures the form of the algorithm. That's what I feed to the calculator. And it's kind of it's kind of satisfying to see this thing hone in on something. So how do I start this thing off? What do I put in there? 2. Enter. That always feels very anti-command. 2. And then if I build this up, answer minus sine answer. Be careful with parentheses. Holy shit. Minus answer squared plus 2 divided by just side check. Pretty good. Let's see what I get. Enter. Interesting. Enter. 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 So my picture was sucky, but oh well. Okay with that. So how many places am I correct to down there? 9 places, yeah. Because it didn't change in the 9th place after that turn. So every time you do it, now this isn't guaranteed. There are places where, in fact, I like to give you a problem where I say, make your first guess this, and they give you kind of a bad first guess. And then it's like 4, and then it's 11, and then it's 38, and then it's 112. And I ask you, okay, what does that mean? Well, it means my first guess sucked. Or your first guess sucked, Jeff. You're the one that told me to do that. Just to show you, the algorithm's going to go to shit if you don't feed it a good first guess. And sometimes the function itself won't work with this algorithm. That's why they have the modified one for the calculator. Watch this. Let's put this in here. Let's let the calculator do it. What was the function there? Sine x minus x squared plus 2. That's like Southern lawyer. There it is, Your Honor. So zoom 6 to make it all nice. Whee! Let's get outside this one. Oh, did I? Oh, yeah, okay. That's right. Now, how do I find that root? See why I said positive root? Because it's got a negative root. 0. It's going to ask for left bound, right bound, and then I guess. And now you see why it does that. Now do you understand why it asks for a left bound and a right bound? Because if your first guess sucks and it goes out of the interval, it just picks a better guess in the interval. That's why it asks you for an interval to search it. Sure, so I get 1.7284663. What did we get? I forgot. 1.7284663. Ah, look at that shit. On one level, you should be like, yeah, Jeff, it does this, dude. So of course it's the same. But on another level, hopefully that's kind of satisfying. You just did something the calculator does. That should feel like, yeah. Should. What else do I want to show you? Oh, watch this, real quick. If I try to do the 0 function, I mean purposefully mess up. There you go. No sign change. So I didn't really capture a root. I was above the root, so it's going to say no sign change. It's the first thing it checks is to see, will this process even work, like we did earlier. That's the first thing the calculator does is, okay, human, did you do something wrong? Yeah, you did something wrong. So you can try again. Is that cool? Okay. All right. I'm tired. I think it's enough. Yes.
What if you did use like 2.1 or 2.2?
Oh, so let's see. I think I still have it in here. No, wait. Okay. So if I put 2.1, and then I just see how I went second enter. So now I got this. Bam, 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 bam. Let's try to mess it up. Let's put 10 in there. Let's see what it does. You ready? Enter, enter. Holy shit. It's pretty robust. Let's put -5 in there. Now it's going to find the negative roots. Remember that? There was a negative root? Let's put 1007. Probably 7. I don't know. Look at it coming. Look at it. Yeah, it's going to get there. It's going to get there. It's going to get there. All right. But, and why is that? Because that's a really nice function. Do you remember how the function looked? Well, you could do it on the calculator, Jeff, but look at me go. All right. So if I pick something way out here, well, that tangent line is going to take it. That's what's happening. Will every function do that? Well, if you had a function that went like this, and you pick that, it's going to take you way the shit over there. So that's why it depends on the function as to how bad your first guess can be. So you just, in general, try to make your first guess. Good question. I mean, that's the kind of thing you should play with this shit. I love it. Write to TI. It'd be funny if all of you email TI. What kind of algorithm do you use? And they'd be like, what's going on? I don't work at Casio, by the way. All right. That's plenty, I think. Everybody got a practice test, right? It should say practice test 3, I think, but oh well. It's not the second test we're doing, right? I think it's the third. So I'll have the answer key for that Thursday, and the test is Tuesday. It's up through 4.8, by the way. We didn't get to 4.9, so that's actually fine, because 4.9 goes right into 5. I'd rather kind of do it for the next test anyway. So through 4.8 homework is due on Tuesday. Please don't forget your IDs and wallets and stuff. I don't want to have my